Welcome everyone to our latest Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 1st of November. I hope everyone had a fantastic half term. I want to start by reminding everyone that the Year 13 Parents Consultation Evening takes place on the 17th of November and the Year 12 Parents Consultation Evening takes place on the 2nd of February. Now, the Year 13 Parents Evening this year will take place virtually, so Mr Wood and Mr Jenkins will be emailing parents soon to let them know how to book appointments for this. Now, I want to remind everyone that voting has started for the Welsh Youth Parliament, and voting takes place between the 1st of November and the 22nd of November. And to vote, you have to register, and you have until the 12th of November to register. Now, this year we have a Radyr student, Ffion Williams, who is standing for the Welsh Youth Parliament. So it'd be great if you can get behind Ffion and vote for Ffion. And it'd be fantastic to have a representative on the Welsh Youth Parliament from Radyr, so that Ffion can represent your views and the views of everybody in the local area. Now, lots of you have already had end-of-topic tests so far in your subjects. And as we approach Christmas, it's highly likely that you will have more of these. And I just want to draw your attention to the resources that the WJC have put together in conjunction with the Welsh Government to support students taking AS and A-level qualifications. So if you check out the WJC Resources page, you'll find lots of knowledge organisers and revision guides and blended learning resources and exam walkthroughs that have been put together by examiners to help you master the difficult topics in each of these subjects. So please check out this resource. It's really useful and it will really help you prepare for these end-of-topic tests. Now, over half term I've been busy booking up more guest speakers for our Radyr guest speaker programme, and on Wednesday the 3rd of November at 5 p.m. we have Mr Carl Jones from the National Software Academy at Cardiff University, and he'll be speaking about ICT, computing and technology courses and careers. And on Thursday the 4th of November at 5 p.m. we have the advertising design team from USW, and they'll be talking about their fantastic course, and this is great for students who are interested in creative careers, advertising, business, media. And on Wednesday the 10th of November at 5 p.m. we have a webinar from former student Millie Yule, who'll be talking about her experience of applying for and studying history at the University of Cambridge. And on the 11th of November at 5 p.m. we have the Head of Criminology at USW, Ian McKim, and he'll be talking about what it's like to study the subject at university and giving students a taster lecture. Now, these webinars are great for finding out whether you would like to study a subject maybe at university or whether you'd like to pursue a career in a particular field. And it's also great for providing you with supercurricular activities and knowledge that you can use in personal statements and apprenticeship applications. Now, from talking to you, I know that many of you have been attending careers events, and on the 12th and 13th of November there is one of the biggest careers events in the UK that's taking place online. It's called What University and What Careers Live, and normally this event would take place in the NEC and we'd normally run a trip to this. However, it's taking place virtually this year. And you have the opportunity to chat to over 50 leading universities and employers to find out more about the opportunities they offer and get the information and guidance you need to take your next steps. Now, already booked onto this event are big companies such as Capita, Land Rover, JP Morgan, Rolls-Royce, and they'll be talking about the different apprenticeships that they offer. And in addition to this, there'll be universities such as Bath and Reading and Southampton and Newcastle and Loughborough who'll be talking about the different courses and opportunities available at these universities. Now, if you're a Year 12 or Year 13 student who's interested in apprenticeships, please check out the UCAS Apprenticeship Fair, which takes place on the 30th of November. And at this event, you'll get lots of tips on how to make applications for apprenticeships and how the assessment processes work. You'll also get to speak to companies such as PwC and Rolls-Royce, and there'll be sessions on how to write a CV and how to prepare an application and how to do well at interviews. So this event takes place on the 30th of November, so please check out the UCAS website and your emails for details of how to attend this event. Now, as I mentioned previously, there's a great website called All About School Leavers, which is full of apprenticeship opportunities. Now, All About School Leavers also run webinars with big companies, and over the next few weeks they have webinars with Atkins, which is an engineering company. They have webinars with Rolls-Royce, where they'll be talking about the degree apprenticeships and business apprenticeships, and they also will have webinars with RSM, which is an accountancy firm, and they'll be offering accountancy insight sessions. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now, we recommend that Year 12 and Year 13 students check out university taster sessions because these are really important for finding out whether courses and careers are suitable for you in the future. And one university that offers a great range of these sessions is the University of Sheffield, and these are taking place online and they're open to everyone. So you can see over the next few weeks they have adult nursing sessions, bioengineering sessions, chemistry sessions, computer science sessions, humanities sessions, history, geography, English literature, English language, a whole range of these sessions. So please check out your emails and check the University of Sheffield website for details. Now, many students may be interested in applying to Oxford or Cambridge, and the University of Cambridge offers subject masterclasses. And if you go onto their website, you can sign up for these and they'll send you details when they start coming available. And these cost £12.50, so it's a small fee, and you book them in advance, and they offer a range of subject masterclasses. So these are great for finding out more about subjects that the University of Cambridge offer. And it's great even if you're not interested in applying to Oxford and Cambridge, because it gives you great supercurricular material that you can use in personal statements, or you can use to find out whether courses and careers are suitable to you. Now, many students have applied to the Access to Bristol scheme. Now, the University of Reading offer a similar scheme. It's called the Reading Scholars Programme, and if you're interested in this, you have to apply by the 5th of November. Now, if you're successful in gaining a place on this scheme, you'll get a guaranteed conditional offer from the University of Reading and an invitation to interview at the University of Reading. You'll also have a 2-grade drop on most courses from their typical offer, and the University of Reading will offer you a £1,000 bursary if you end up putting them as your firm choice when you apply to university. So if you're interested in this scheme, please check out their website and check your emails for details of how you apply. Now, if you're interested in applying to university, it's worth checking out the University of Reading platform because they'll offer lots of webinars to help you make an application, and they also have a platform that will offer you opportunities to undertake short courses on a variety of topics, and these are great for exploring whether particular courses and careers are suitable to you, and also they're great for giving you material for personal statements and apprenticeship applications. Now, in recent weeks, I've sent Year 13 students details of the Step into Success programme that the University of Bath runs, and this is a free programme which takes place online, and it aims to help Year 13 students through the journey of making a university application. Now, this programme is only for students who meet their eligibility criteria, so please check your emails for details, and please check the University of Bath website to see if you fulfil the eligibility criteria for this programme. Now, there are lots of great events taking place over the next few weeks. Now, if you're a student interested in healthcare, please check out the Science in Health lectures from Cardiff University. So you might be interested in medicine or dentistry or pharmacy, physio, nursing, midwifery, whatever you're interested in. These are a great series of events that you can attend. They take place from October to April and they're absolutely free. They're taking place on Zoom, and they aim to give you a flavour of the different sort of research that is taking place within healthcare. And the latest lecture takes place on November the 11th at 7 p.m. and it's all about the discovery of insulin and what next is likely to happen in this area of science. So please check your emails and the Science in Health website for details of how to sign up for these. And if you miss one of these sessions, you can check out their website because they will put recordings of the lectures on their website so you can watch them at your leisure. Now, if you're a student interested in engineering, check out Swansea University's Discover Engineering series of webinars, and they have a webinar on the 3rd of November at 5 p.m. and it's all about the engineering courses at Swansea, and it will talk you through the different careers that their engineering students go into after graduating. So this is a great webinar for finding out more about the different sorts of careers and courses available. So check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, if you're interested in medicine, please check your emails for details of a medicine admissions conference that the University of Birmingham are running, and this takes place on the 27th of November and it will take place on Zoom, and it's open to all Year 12 students who are studying at UK state schools. So please check out the University of Birmingham's website or your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, if you're a student who's interested in geography or science or business or economics or just the environment, this is a great webinar that you can attend on the 30th of November. It's with Steve Kenzie, who's the Executive Director of the United Nations Global Compact Network, and he'll be talking with Dr. Bella Aurora from Manchester Met about the different actions that businesses and universities and civil society can take to tackle climate change together. So please check out your emails for details of how to sign up for this great event. Now, on the 17th of November, there's a fantastic event taking place called Skills Cymru, and this is taking place virtually this year, and it gives young people aged 14 to 19 the opportunity to digitally meet and network with regional and national employers, training providers, colleges and universities. Now, this event is 9:30 till 4:30, and they recommend that an hour and a half is probably needed to get the full flavour of the different opportunities that are on offer. So please check your emails for details of how to register for this event. Now, on Thursday the 18th of November at Cardiff City Hall, Careers Wales are organising a fantastic Creative Pathways event, and lots of organisations and companies are getting involved with this, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up and attend this event. Now, in every assembly I like to talk about the different apprenticeships and school leavers programmes that are out there, and the BBC offer a range of apprenticeships in journalism, production, design, engineering, technology and business, and they'll be launching their latest apprenticeships in November. So please check out their website. They have a careers website where you can find out about the different training and apprenticeship opportunities. And they also have a great Twitter page called BBC Get In, where they give details of all the different apprenticeship opportunities available. Now, the BBC have apprenticeship opportunities that are local, so please check out their Twitter site and website for details of how to apply for these. So I now want to highlight a few great opportunities with big companies for students who are interested in apprenticeships and school leavers programs. And the first opportunity is with IBM. Now, they're offering you a gap year program. So if you're not sure what you want to do after leaving sixth form, you can work for IBM for 1 year. They'll pay you a salary of 18,000, and you'll develop lots of skills in business and technology, and this will allow you to apply for apprenticeships at IBM or other companies in the future, and also it will give you time to think about what you might want to do after leaving sixth form while you earn a salary. So you could end up applying for university courses or for apprenticeships and school leavers programs after completing this gap year, but it will give you 1 year of paid experience. You will earn cash while you do it, and this will allow you to develop skills and think about what you want to do after you leave sixth form. Now, lots of students will tell me they're interested in legal careers, and if you are interested in a legal career, you may not have thought about a solicitor apprenticeship that you can do. Now, CMS are a law firm and they're offering solicitor apprenticeships, and these are 6-year programs. Now, you will have your degree paid for, and you'll be earning a salary of between 18,000 and 20,000 for each year of this program. So it's an opportunity to earn while you learn. And they are located at Bristol, London, Sheffield and Manchester. So you could work at Bristol, you could study for a law degree, and you could qualify as a solicitor, and you could earn money while you do this. So this is another great opportunity. Now, if you're a student who wants to stay in Wales but study for a degree apprenticeship, so this is where you work for a company and they pay for your degree, you could check out this degree apprenticeship opportunity from CGI, which is one of Wales's biggest companies, and the application deadline for this is the 31st of December. Now, they're offering a BSc Honours in Applied Software Engineering, and this is in partnership with Swansea University. So you would go to Swansea University 1 day a week, and you spend the other 4 days at the company developing your skills, and you will get experience in software engineering, IT support and software testing. And after 3 years, you will qualify with this degree. So this is a great opportunity to earn money while you learn. So please check out your emails for details of this. And you can also find this opportunity on the Rate My Apprenticeship website, which is a great website for finding apprenticeship and school leavers programs. Now, I also want to remind everyone in Year 13 that your subject teachers have now completed your subject references and given you a UCAS predicted grade. And we ask subject teachers to be as positive as possible and to take into account that most students improve a lot in Year 13. Now your UCAS referee, either myself, Miss Jones or Miss Jennings, will have the job of putting a whole school reference together using these subject references. And the way that our UCAS system works is that we want you to work with your form tutor to get your personal statement up to a really good standard. And when they're really happy that your personal statement is of a really good standard, they will ask you to paste your UCAS statement onto the UCAS website to check it fits and to print off the form. Now you will then bring it to your form tutor and they will sign it, and that's to tell us that they are happy with your personal statement and it fits. Once you've had your personal statement approved by your form tutor, you will go and see your UCAS referee, and if you're in Austin, Curie, Freud or Holmes, I am your referee. If you're in Keynes, Pascal and Thomas, it's Miss Jones. If you're an early applicant, it's Miss Jennings. Conservatoires is Miss Jones, but that deadline has already passed. So please see your UCAS referee as soon as your personal statement has been approved by your form tutor. And we will need a signature from your form tutor or an email from your form tutor to confirm that they have passed your personal statement. So I just want to end this assembly by showing you this calendar, and this is a calendar for November from a website called Action for Happiness. Now Action for Happiness has great calendars full of well-being tips, and for November their theme is about trying something new, because when you learn something new or get involved in an activity that really absorbs and interests you, it's great for your well-being. So this month they have a list of great activities that they want you to try that they think will have a big impact on your well-being. So it might be making a list of new things you want to do this month, or responding to a difficult situation a different way, or signing up to join a new course, activity or online community, or trying a new way to practice self-care. And these are great tips to look after your well-being. So please check out this calendar. I'll put it on our Twitter site. I'll email it out to everyone. I hope everyone has a fantastic week, and if you have any issues or worries, please come and see myself or any member of our sixth form team, because we really want to look after you and support you.